Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're chasing that deep, mirror-like gloss and want a product that delivers professional-level results, today's feature is exactly what you need. This right here is the best Meguiars compound and polish, the Meguiars Mirror Glaze Bundle, featuring the M105 Ultra Cut Compound and the M205 Ultra Finishing Polish. Let's dive straight into what makes this combo a standout in the detailing world. First up, the M105 Ultra Cut Compound. This is not your average rubbing compound, it's designed for serious correction. Whether you're dealing with oxidation, heavy swirl marks, scratches, or even sanding marks up to 1200 grit, this stuff cuts through them with impressive speed. It uses advanced super micro abrasive technology, which means you're getting fast defect removal, without the haze or rough finish that old-school compounds used to leave behind. Application is a breeze. You can use it by hand, with a dual-action polisher, or a rotary buffer. It's versatile and user-friendly, and the results are noticeable almost instantly. The moment you wipe off the residue, you'll see just how much clarity and smoothness it brings back to the paint. But we're only halfway there. After the M105 has done the heavy lifting, it's time to refine the finish with the M205 Ultra Finishing Polish. This is where the magic happens. M205 takes that slightly matte, just compounded surface and transforms it into a high-gloss, slick finish. It works beautifully to remove any micro-marring or faint haze left by aggressive correction. The polish uses the same super micro-abrasive technology, so you're getting consistent performance without any fillers or silicone masking the true condition of your paint. The best part? The combination of these two doesn't just look good under garage lights, the depth and gloss stand up outdoors in full sunlight. Whether you're prepping for a car show, detailing your weekend ride, or just want that showroom look every day, this kit gives you the kind of finish that turns heads. And let's not forget about compatibility. You can use this system on a variety of surfaces, painted finishes, clear coats, glass, and even metal. So whether it's your car, bike, or boat, the results are consistently impressive. Both products come in 8-ounce bottles, which might seem small, but a little goes a long way. You're getting professional-grade results without wasting product. Storage is easy, shelf life is solid, and the scent? Not overwhelming at all, just clean and subtle. So, if you're ready to elevate your detailing game and want the best Meguiars has to offer in terms of compound and polish, this bundle is the one to beat. The M105 and M205 combo brings professional paint correction right into your garage. That wraps up our review on Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've used this bundle or if you want to see more detailing gear reviewed. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.